Hey guys, this is Tristan. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the Huawei Display 23.8. As you can see, nandito na siya sa aking side. Naka-install na siya. Pero papakita natin kung paano natin siya in-unbox. So we have the HDMI cable and the manual. And this is what I really like. Hindi siya yung standard na adapter. Usually, we have the yung itim. Pero dito sa Huawei, parang charger lang siya ng cellphone. I do use a Huawei phone. So, yung similarities nila is medyo malapit. So, we have the base of the monitor mount. Simple niya. Ang linis niya tignan, ang nipis niya tignan. So, ang ganda rin ng stand. It's not the typical mount na makikita mo usually sa mga monitor. Parang this is the first time na makakita ko ng ganitong mount for a monitor. So, napaka-minimal ng monitor na to. So makikita nyo lang sa likod, napakalinis. So makikita nyo lang na port dyan is yung, again, yung HDMI, yung VGA, and yung power socket, ng monitor. So, overall, okay naman. So again, it comes with the monitor itself, and then yung stand ng monitor, isang parang cellphone na charger, power adapter ng monitor, and an HDMI cable. So no tools included since hindi mo na talaga kailangan ng tools. Tapos gusto ko rin na nakamat yung monitor. So usually, di ba, parang mga glossy or I don't know kung ano bang tawag doon, pero iba yung feels na itong monitor na to. Parang sobrang premium niya. Yung build ng monitor na to is parang pang premium talaga, and for its price, di ba? So, parang sobrang pwede na talaga. So sa mga naghahanap ng monitor dyan, yes, ma-recommend ko siya for work. For work purposes only, pero I do not recommend this monitor for gaming. Simply because konti na lang. Konting gastos na lang is makakakuha ka na ng 144 Hz na okay. Diba? So, kung ang target mo is mainly you use your PC for the main purpose of your PC is for gaming, or kung bakit mo binubuksan ng PC mo is simply because for gaming, I do not recommend this monitor. Pero kung most of the time is ginagamit mo siya for your work, yes, I do recommend it. Hindi na siya masyadong masakit compare sa mga ibang monitor. Para sa akin, nakuha ko siya ng 6,000 pesos. Sale siya sa Shopee. Sa Shopee ko lang din siya nabili. So, majority of the people here in the Philippines are working from home. So, if you like a, simple yung design, diba? VESA mount ready, yung standard na size ng VESA mount. And I do recommend this